Pisces, Sun, Moon, and Rising. August begins with Venus entering your 8th house of shared finances, emotional bonds, and transformation on August 6th. Over the next few weeks, conversations about money, trust, or deeper relationships may become more important. This is also a supportive transit for resolving financial matters with another person or strengthen an emotional connection through honesty and vulnerability. Mercury enters your 6th house on August 9th, joining Jupiter already there. Your attention turns toward work, health, and your daily routines. You may start reorganizing your schedule, improving your habits, or finding better ways to manage your responsibilities. On August 11th, Mars enters your 5th house of creativity, romance, and self-expression, giving you more confidence to pursue what brings you happiness. This is a wonderful influence to creative projects and enjoying your life truly. The biggest event of the month arrives on August 12th with the total solar eclipse at 20 degrees of Leo. For Pisces, this eclipse falls in your 6th house of work, health, and everyday routines. A new chapter begins here. Some of you could change jobs, improve your health, create a healthier lifestyle, or completely reorganize the way you manage your daily life. Jupiter is sitting right next to this eclipse, making these changes much more significant than they may first appear. On August 15th, Mercury joins Jupiter in the same house. This is an excellent day for job interviews, important work conversations, health appointments, or receiving good news connected to your daily responsibilities. An opportunity that appears around this date could have long-term benefits. Mars squares Neptune on August 17th, creating uncertainty between your personal goals and your closest relationships. You may feel ready to move forward with something important while another person isn't completely on the same page. Before making a financial decision, give the situation a little bit more time to unfold. On August 22nd, the Sun crosses the South Node before moving into Virgo and your 7th house of relationships. You begin leaving behind work habits, routines, and responsibilities that no longer support your well-being. Your attention gradually shifts toward your closest relationships and the people you choose to build your future with. Venus opposites Saturn on August 23rd, bringing an important balance between shared finances and your own financial security. You may need to discuss money more openly with a partner or make an important decision involving investments, debts, or shared responsibilities. This transit encourages you to create stronger financial foundation for the future. Mercury enters your 7th house on August 25th, making relationships conversations much more important. 2 days later, on August 27th, Mercury reaches Cazimi. An honest conversation or an important realization could completely change the direction of a relationship or partnership. The lunar eclipse in Pisces on August 28th is the most personal event of the month for you. This eclipse falls in your 1st house of identity, confidence, and new beginnings. It marks the end of an important chapter in your personal journey. Over the past few years, you've been changed in ways you may not have fully realized until now. This eclipse helps you leave behind an old version of yourself and step into a new chapter with greater confidence, clarity, and authenticity. It's a powerful moment to trust how much you've grown and to embrace the person you are becoming. August ends on a positive note. On August 31st, Jupiter forms a supportive trine with Saturn, helping improvements in your work, health, and daily routines, create stronger financial stability over time. Venus also enters her pre-retrograde shadow on the same day, suggesting that themes around shared finances, trust, and emotional intimacy that began this month will continue developing throughout the fall.